Welcome in the third part of SQL commands. In today's lecture, we learn the commands of data definition language, DDL, and we learn how to display the table structure, how to create a new table from existing table, how to add new column, how to modify a specified column, how to drop a specified column, and how to drop a table. Before we start implementations, I want to refer the DML, data manipulation language, which we explained yesterday. It is relevant to the rows. Instead, data definition language, it is relevant to the columns. That is mean most of DDL operations have been done in the columns, in the fields. Okay, we start by opening SQL command line, connect HR connected. Why not connected? Okay. We start by the first command. Describe is used to display the structure of the table. That is mean the properties of the columns. Describe table name, impl 11 semicolon. This is the structure of our table. Also, instead of writing all the command, you can write only DES, abbreviation DESC, and it gives you the same result. You can write the abbreviated for the command, or you can write the full command. The second implementation is how to create a table from existing table. That is mean create a table from the existing database in pool 1.1 by create table command, create table, and here put the name of the new table. For example, imp 11 as the command used to copy the specified fields and records as select if I write select star, it copy all the fields from impl 11. That is mean I make a typical copy from the existing database. Table created, inshallah, table created. For example, if I need specified rows and specified column, let me first display the first two columns. Select so as to see the IDs. Select number NO, comma name from impl 11 semicolon. These are the first two columns. To create a table with specified fields and rows, you must determine the fields and the rows. In the case of the rows, you must to enter the row numbers. We return back to our previous created table. Call this imp12 as, instead of select star, select specified fields, number, for example, and select the here. If we return back to the structure, here are the columns, and here are the records. Here are the fields, and here are the records. Select the first one, and the middle one, and the last one. From the import, the field 1, which is NO, the middle one, which is address, and the last one, which is commission. And we must, in this case, we must to enter the ID of the first, select the fields, NO, address, comma, commission, COMMISSION, from import. Here we put the condition for the rows that I need, where NO in between two parentheses put the rows. For example, I need only the last 3 rows. The last 3 rows. The last 3 rows, 2019 00 3 4 6 3 3 4 6, comma 2019, the second one, 2019 00 278 278, the last row, 2016 00 799, and now I select 3 fields, but not ordered. It is separated, and 3 records together. I can select from the rows, can select from the beginning of the table, and from the middle, and from the last. I will determine, the user or the creator who determine what are the rows that you need. Enter table created. If we see, for example, the fields, let's select NO, comma, name not selected, address from imp 12 to see the data. These are in addition to commission, because the printer, the monitor will not display the 3 columns. I prefer to display only 2 columns. The second command is to modify the structure of the table. To modify, to change the size of the field. For example, name here 35. If I want to increase or decrease, we use alter table, table name, import 11, modify. This is the command used to modify the structure of the table. Modify command. Modify the field name. The field name is name the new type of data. New type, the same type, var character, but here the size will be changed. 40, the size 40. Enter, table alter. Today I don't know why my computer is slow. If I describe DESC, impole 11, we can see the changes. Impole 11 semicolon. Here the name is changed from 35 to 40. The previous one is 35. After modification, it became 40. The second command is to add new column, to add new field. Also by command alter table, instead of modify, use add. Add is the command used to add new column. Okay, add table name, field name, for example, mobile. This is the new column that I want to add, mobile, and the type of this field and the size. Type number of 20. This is the size, type and size, and table altered. If we return back to describe, here we see the new field is added. Here mobile is added. The second command is drop table. For example, I want to drop the same field that I added in the previous step. Alter table, drop column and column name. Drop column, drop, you can write by small or by capital letter. Drop column, column name mobile, semicolon, table alter, invalid table name. Drop, yes, alter table name. Sorry, alter table name, impole invalid, that is mean the table not exist. Impole 11, drop column, table altered, and if we return to describe command, here we will not see the mobile field. I think that the two last commands is rename and drop. Here we have impole imp11, this table, imp11. For example, I want to rename this table. Rename table name imp11 to the new table name imp1111. Okay, semicolon, table rename. To rename, that is mean to change the name of the table. For example, I want to drop this renamed table, which is M1111. Drop table name. Drop table, table name, imp, triple one, semicolon, table, drop. I think that now we have finished our today implementations. If we return to our slide, we display the structure of the table for more than one time. We create a new table for all recourse and fields, and for specified recourse and fields, we add a new column which is mobile, and we drop it, and we change we modify the structure of the name from the size of the name field from 35 to 40, and we drop table. If you have a questions, I can answer you. If you have no questions, I can stop recording and return back to you.